Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started standing up. Close your eyes as you take some deep breaths. Come into your mountain pose as you lift your arms up overhead. Open arm twist to the right. Send your right arm behind you. Left arm reaches forward. Hips are squared to the front. And back to your mountain pose. Open arm twist to the left this time. Mountain pose. Baby back bend, cactus your arms open as you look up at the ceiling. We come back to our mountain pose. Lower your arms in front of you, shoulder height. Sit your hips back for chair pose. The weight is in your heels and your spine is long. Relax your shoulders, reach forward a little bit more, and forward fold. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Forward fold. Slowly roll up to standing. Sweep your arms overhead for mountain pose. Take an inhale. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, open arm twist to the left. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, back bend. Maybe you go a little bit deeper on the back bend. Mountain pose. Lower the arms, shoulder height, and chair pose. Sit your hips back. Forward fold. Slowly roll up to standing. And let's face the long side of our mat, opening our legs. Come into your warrior two. Arms come into a T position. That right leg is bent, left leg is straight, and you're looking over your front hand. Flip your front palm, reverse warrior, reach up and back. Still sinking deep into that front knee. Straighten your front leg for reverse triangle. And back to your warrior two. Take an inhale as you reach forward. Exhale, extended side angle. Left arm reaches up. Right arm reaches down. And maybe you look up. Grab onto your right ankle as you straighten your front leg for triangle pose. Actively reaching that left arm up. Come back into your warrior two. Straighten your front leg, and let's make our way to the other side, coming into our warrior two on the left. Flip your front palm for reverse warrior. Straighten your front leg for reverse triangle. Back to your warrior two. Reach forward, extended side angle. Grab onto your ankle, straighten that front leg for triangle pose. Back to your warrior two. Straighten your front leg. Let's turn our toes in so that the feet are parallel as you reach up and back. And wide-legged forward fold, grab behind the legs. And now you close your legs together. Slowly roll up to standing. We come into our tree pose by either placing your right foot on your left ankle, your calf, or your inner thigh. Hands come to heart center. And you have the option to reach overhead. Maybe you open the arms. You also have the option to look up at the ceiling. Bring your hands back to heart center. And we make our way to the other side. Option to lift your arms up, maybe opening your arms. Hands come back to heart center. And lower that left leg. Sweep your arms up overhead for mountain pose, touching at the top. Baby back bend, cactus your arms open. Back to your mountain pose. Side body stretch to the right. Lower your right arm down as you reach over with that left arm. Come back to your mountain pose. Side body stretch to the left. Come back to your mountain pose. Forward fold. I'm going to turn back to the front of my yoga mat so that you can see me. Bend your right leg, keeping your left leg straight. And you can stay here, or you can reach your left arm up, maybe taking some circles with that left hand. Let's make our way to the other side. Lower that right hand back down as you come into your chair pose with your arms overhead this time, so your arms are next to your ears. Stand up and bring your hands to heart center as you take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.